Hello everyone. So the company I'm going to talk to you all today about is PG Electroplast Limited. Now this is a company that has really caught my eyes and I've been closely monitoring this company for the past few months. And there are a lot of factors that make me believe that this company can become a huge multi-bagger. I will reveal all of this towards the end. But first, let's have a look at the business of PG Electroplast and then have a look at the fundamentals. And then finally, I will let you all know what are the triggers, what I feel that may make this company a multi-bagger. First and foremost, let's understand what PG Electroplast is and what it exactly deals with, right? So, PG Electroplast Limited is a one-stop solution for leading Indian and global brands, a pioneer and leading provider for electronics manufacturing services in India. So, it's an electronics manufacturing service provider in India, right? So, it was incorporated in the year 2003 as the flagship company of PG Group. Uh, for original design manufacturing, original equipment manufacturing, and plastic injection molding are our specialized areas. So, we cater to 45 plus leading Indian and global brands across diverse industries such as consumer durables, consumer electronics, bathroom fittings, and automotive components in India with a diverse team of over 3,800 employees. So, they have a total of 3,800 employees. So, let's just have a look at the board of directors, which is really, really important. By the way, guys, I've already read through all their bio data and all the information, and I've got all the information about them. I'm just going to make a long story short over here. The management team in PG Electroplast is excellent. They have a very, very strong management team over here. Mr. Anurag Gupta, Mr. Vishal Gupta, Mr. Vikas Gupta. See, all of them have a minimum experience of about 15 years, and the experience can go as high as 45 years. So this is a highly experienced team. The PT Electroblast team is a really, really experienced team. So as far as the board of directors are concerned, PG Electroplast is in a very good space, and this company is going to move in the right direction as far as the management is concerned because of the vast experience that they have. Now let's just have a look at the industries served quickly. So they do manufacturing of air conditioners, washing machines, LED televisions, air coolers, bathroom fittings, and automotive components, right? So these are the industries they serve. So who are the clients of PG Electroplast? See, they have a total of about 45 plus clients. It's already been mentioned. The key clients are Acer, Iowa, Smith, AO Smith, Bajaj, Electricals, Crompton, Chroma, Carrier, BPL. This is the list, by the way. Over 45 clients, all big clients they have. Osha, Panasonic, Onida, Motherson, Sumi, Lava, LG. These are all the clients that they deal with. So they've got a vast list of clients. They just don't deal with one or two. They have a vast list of clients over here. So what are the manufacturing capabilities of PG Electroplast? Plastic molding, specialized AC components, tool manufacturing, PCB assemblies, and polythene paint shop. So these are the manufacturing capabilities that they have over here. So what is the country-wide footprint of PT Electroplast? You may want to know, right? So let's just have a look at that. They have a total of how many? 7 units, right? You can have a look at it. Greater Noida, then there's one in Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Ahmedabad, Uttar Pradesh again, and then in Maharashtra and in Nagpur area, right? So these are the this is where they have their footprints. Now, this is as far as the business of PG Electroplast is concerned. Now, another very important thing that we need to look into a company are its fundamentals, right? So, if the fundamentals of a company are not good, one must never ever purchase stocks in a company. That's a thumb rule. So, are the fundamentals of PG Electroplast good for you to be, investing in it right now? Let's just have a look at it right away, shall we? Right. So the market cap of PG Electroplast is 25,527 crores. So what does that make it? It's a mid cap stock as of now, right? So the current price is rupees 901. The high was 1,055 and the low was 146. Guys, just look at how much it's moved from 146 all the way up to 1,055. Stock price to earning is 133. When compared to the industry price to earning, it's trading at a high value at the moment. Book value is rupees 43.8. Dividend yield of 0.02. That's as good as negligible. ROC and ROE above 15%, which is excellent at 18.7 and 18.9%. Promoter holding at 49.4%, which seems okay. Profit growth, a very healthy 91.6%, which is excellent. Debt to equity is 0.40, which is again very good. The debt as a whole is 456 crores, which is not very high, not very low. It's okay. The reserves are 1,119 crores, which is good, which is much above the debt, almost 3 times of debt. Its EPS is decent at 7.35. It's a pretty healthy EPS. Now, yeah, cash flow is 186 crores from operation, which is good. The free cash flow for the past 3 years has been minus 378 crores, which is not a very good sign. The price to sales is 7.09, which is clearly indicating that the company is overvalued at the moment. Nothing more than that. Now, let's just quickly look through the price history of the company. Guys, just have a look at this. It opened India September 2011. That's where it came into the stock market. And it was around 31 rupees. And you guys can have a look at it and see. It came down all the way up to 15 rupees in 12. And then it again went up to 36 rupees in Feb of 2013. And again, it dropped. It dropped significantly, by the way. And between 8 and 10, 15 rupees, it was going up and down like that for many, many years. And all the way till 2017, by the way. It was going up and down like that. And from 2017, there was a slight leap again. It went up to 40 rupees in December of 2017. From there, it again slid down to levels of, as low as, guys, just have a look at this. Time of COVID, it was available as low as 2 rupees and 87 pies. Can you even imagine this? This company was trading at 2 rupees and 87 pies at the time of COVID, as low as that. And from there, as you guys can see, it slightly started going up slowly, gradually, up to 38 rupees in March of 2021. A big leap. And from there, you guys can see it has gone up again all the way up to 70 rupees in December of 2021. And from December of 2021, it had a straight leap up all the way up to, big leap by the way, 227 rupees in December of 2023. So that's a period of about 2 years. Very good leap. From there, there was a slight correction. It came down to 164 rupees in March of 2024. And from there, guys, there was absolutely no stopping the stock. From 164 rupees, it flew all the way to 1,055 rupees. That was on the 3rd of Jan 2025. There was absolutely no stopping it. And it's slightly corrected now with the markets around the 900 rupee mark at the moment. That's the 16th of Jan of 2025. Now, let's just have a look at the sales and the net profit, which is really, really important, by the way. Now, March of 2011, all the way up to March of 2013, they've displayed first. This is what they've displayed as of now. And 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, they have not displayed for many years. So that's a little bit of a concerning sign. Anyways, let's just have a look at it. March of 2024, they had 424 crores worth of sale, which is good. And as of now, that is January of 2025, 3,600 crores. That is a massively in terms of sales. 9 times. 9 times over a period of 14 years almost, which is a huge leap, right? Net profit was 18 crores in 2011, and it has increased all the way up to 192 crores in Jan of 2025. That's again more than 10 times. So that's again a huge leap. Let's just look at the consistency. -9 in 2012. That was a minus. 2013 -5. Now, this is a clear indication why they haven't displayed the finance. It clearly looks like they were at loss. Just looking at the price history of the company, you can easily make out that they were going through heavy losses, right? So that's one of the main reasons they must have not displayed it. Anyways, for March of 2021, 12 crores. 2022, 37 crores. Good leap. 2023, 77 crores. Again, a very good leap. 2024, 135 crores. And as of now, 192 crores. Guys, this is an excellent sign of a company that is in a serious growth spurt at the moment. It's in a very, very big growth spurt, and it's grown in a very, very, systematical way. From 12 to 37, 37 to 77. From here, there's been a good leap to 135 crores. And from here, 192 crores. Now, you may ask, can it grow from here? Hasn't it grown so fast? Guys, I'll get to that part a little bit later. Please watch the video till the end, and I'll make it very clear whether they can make more than this in the years to come. Now, let's just have a look at the promoter holding of the company. It was 65.71% in March of 2022. And this is a little bit of a red flag. That is December of 2024, 49.37%. So there's been a reduction. Now, FIIs was 0.99 in March of 2022. And wow, very healthy now. 11.17% in December of 2024. DII 0 in March of 2022. And over here, again, a very healthy increase of 14.81%. Guys, this is a clear indication of a company uh, in a very big momentum swing at the moment. Clear indication. When the FIIs and the DIIs start increasing stake, it's a sign that the company is in an upward road stage. Very good sign over here. So there were 33% public holders in 2022 and now 24.47%. So 11,000 shareholders in 2022 and now look at the number, 1,21,472. As you guys can see, quite a few people have actually benefited from the upward run that this company has had. And believe it or not, this number of shareholders, these shareholders are going to increase in number. I'll get to that part a little later. Now, coming to the question, has this company got an opportunity to become a multi-bagger or not, right? This is going to be a definite question you're going to have. And you may ask, see, the price of the stock is already gone up to 900 rupees. We missed out on the bull run, right? Now, guys, this is not the only bull run the company will have. The company is definitely going to have a run moving forward. Now, I'll get to that part right now, right away. Now, guys, regarding this, I'm going to be very clear about one thing. Let's just go to the board of directors again. Now, there was an interview with Mr. Vikas Gupta a few days back, and there are a few things that he did highlight regarding the company and what it is that they plan to do, right? So I'll just take you through that right away. I'll just orally tell it to you all. So they have a tie-up now with Whirlpool for manufacturing semi-automatic washing machines. So that's expected to maintain a CAGR growth of 30 to 40% for the next 3 to 4 years, which is a very, very positive sign. This isn't a washing machine business alone, by the way. Now, the washing machine manufacturing is about 20% of the company's revenue. So, the 20% of their revenues come from the washing machine business. Now, the guidance for that is 450 to 500 crores in the washing machine category alone. That's what they plan to make. So, the overall revenue guidance has been revised. It was 4,250 crores, now to 4,850 crores. That's their new guidance for FY25. So, the further guidance that is for FY26, they say, will be provided after the quarter results, right, of FY25 come to an end, right? So, anyways, a guidance of 35 to 40% in FY26 and FY27 is basically stated by Mr. Vikas Gupta, which is a really, really good sign over here. And the capex guidance for FY25 was about 380 crores, right? So, that will be closed very, very soon, the guidance of FY25. So, the capex guidance, you may ask now, what is the capex guidance of FY26? That will be made soon. So, the capacity for the washing machines will be increased to 2.4 million units per annum. So, that's their plan as of now. So, Whirlpool is exclusively working with PG Electroplast for making washing machines in India. So, the manufacturing of Whirlpool washing machines will be exclusively made by PG Electroplast. So, that's an excellent sign over here. And not only that, guys, there's one more very big business they have ventured into. I'll just get to that part right away, right? So they're entering into the EV segment with an African company. The name of the company is Spyro. Now, what is Spyro, you may ask, right? So it's Africa's largest two-wheeler EV manufacturer. So they manufacture EV bikes and also their battery packs, right? So the production of this will start before the end of the first quarter of FY26. So they're setting up a dedicated manufacturing setup in Maharashtra in the existing facility that is near Pune. I've already shown it to you all. So PG Electroplast will make an investment of 25 to 30 crores. That will be the initial investment. That will be like the capex investment. So a revenue of 500 to 600 crores within the first 2 years of operations is expected from that business as well, right? So the overall revenue expected to double in the next 3 years. So this is a very, very positive sign over here. So another very positive sign I want to mention to you all is the AC division grew at 212%, guys. Now that's a massive increase. You know, when you compare it with the industry growth of just 40 to 45%, that's more than 4 to 5 times. So that's massive, right? So they're also going for a new greenfield manufacturing facility for AC in Greater Noida. So these are the expansion plans of PG Electroplast. Now, guys, you may ask again and say, okay, the price of the stock is already rallied up to 900 rupees. How much more can it go up from here? Now, guys, I'm going to be very clear with one thing. I'm not a SEBI-registered analyst or anything like that. But as per my assessment and looking at the business plans and just looking at the way this company is executing things at the moment, the valuation of this company in the next 2 to 3 years can easily go up by 2, 3, or maybe even 4x from here. If they land up executing what they say. Again, I'm specifically telling you, if they land up executing what they say. Meaning, the operating profit margin is also expected to be around that 10% mark. So that is another very positive sign. So this net profit they made as of now, right, of 192 crores, it can very well double in the next 2 to 3 years' time. It can very well double. So if that happens, when that happens, obviously the EPS of the company will go up drastically. The price to earning will again come down. And then no, that will help scale up the price of the stock. As of now, to be very exact with you all, at a stock P of 133, the company is quite overvalued at the moment. 901 rupees is not the time where you need to be taking a call of, buying stakes or shares in this company, right? By any chance, if there's a fall and if the price comes down to say levels around 700 or 750, I highly doubt that's going to happen. But if it does come down to levels of 700, 750, or maybe even 650 rupees, at that time, at the current moment, it would not be a bad time to buy a certain number of shares. That is, again, if you are convinced with the business module and, you are under the impression that the valuation of this company will go. Only if you have that estimation, go ahead and invest in the company. If not, don't invest in that company. At the moment, guys, it's not a very good time to actually put your money into the company at 901 rupees because it is overvalued at the moment. It's not a very wise thing to buy a big stake in a company that has rallied up a, a very big amount. It's never ever wise to do it because if the company does plummet, and right now you guys already know what's happening. The markets are very uncertain at the moment. One day it's going up, 1 week it's going up, another week it's coming down. So it's very, very uncertain. So we don't know what's going to happen at this time. Ideally, it is better to wait till the budget comes out. That will be on Feb the 1st. And then see how the price of the stock is moving. And then if you all are interested, buy a certain number of stake as per what it is that you all want to be doing. I'm not going to tell you all how much to buy, what not to buy. That is up to you all. But as per my assessment, this is a company that has got a lot of growth triggers and it has got great opportunities of becoming a big multi-bagger. Even at its current levels, it can go up by 3 and 4x in the next few years' time. This is my estimation about PG Electroplast. Now, as it is with every business, there are minus points. So even in PG Electroplast, it's not that everything is very sunny. There are minus points in this company. So some of the minus points of this company are things that can actually disrupt the business of this company are the supply chain disruption. That is the transport issues. Problems with transportation can impact production and delivery. Natural disasters can disrupt production and delivery. Geopolitical factors can disrupt production and delivery. And obviously the competition, domestic and international competition. Electronics manufacturing industry is highly competitive and PG Electroplast must compete with many domestic and international players. And obviously global competition. As PG Electroplast scales up, it will face competition from the best electronics manufacturers in the world. And the regulatory compliance, that is the safety, quality and environment concerns. The electronics industry faces high regulatory compliance requirements and non-compliance can lead to legal issues and fines. And also the technological challenges, that is rapidly evolving technology. New technologies can make existing products and manufacturing processes obsolete, requiring PG Electroplast to invest more in the research and development. That's the capex. Raw material price volatility, fluctuating raw material price. That is, raw material prices fluctuations can make it difficult for PG Electroplast to pass on cost increases to customers, which can impact profitability. So these are some of the risk factors of PG Electroplast. So that's it for me today, guys. You guys take care and have a wonderful day ahead.